Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Hedera HBAR. We're gonna see the all-time history as usual and the micro level. We're gonna see where are we heading, where is that low is going to finish up this bear market, and we might start to push towards the upside in the following scenarios. For the daily here, or I would say for the all-time history, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 finished the impulse as a wave A. A potential impulse can be given here as an ABC in case we are in a zigzag, but normally a zigzag wave B is not so high like this one. This was like match much more with the regular flat, I would say, or in higher probability a triangle because 886 is taken and can be very likely a triangle A, B, C, D, and a E here. That this is your W, X, and a Y as well in three waves and not an impulse. But still, yeah, it's an impulsive wave three, so we gotta be careful with it anyway in case it is the one-to-one that it is calling there that is massively very, very deep. But basically, I'm still looking for this triangle a, B, C, D, and a E. We are currently in a wave C, as an ABC is very likely also to be finished soon. And that means we are looking here at the final drop here for Hedera, where we have hit our general target expected, but we might still seek for a little bit lower to finish our structure wave 5 here, which is related to this impulse as a 1, 2, 3 in case we are in a wave 3. Well, yeah, it's hard to call a wave 4 here. Of course, interfered already here in the zone 1. Therefore, I prefer the A, B, and a C. And this impulse is a wave C there. Yeah, so 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Somehow, it is a question mark again because this is also interfering here with zone 1. So yeah, I don't like it at all, but we don't have any other option here. So that is something like can be like a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, and that your wave 5 here is internally finished as a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, but the wave 4 doesn't reflect perfectly the wave 2. But we don't have any other option since we have, of course, this gap here given as a 1, 2, 3 here, and then wave 4 and then wave 5. I cannot complain about this gap. There is no invalidation there. But internally, it can be this is a wave 3 finished and done, and we are looking for the final wave 5, where we are looking at 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5 ending diagonal, meaning one more move toward the downside. I was expecting something as a 1, 2, and then massive wave 3, 4, and a 5 to finish it, but actually it shows the diagonal shape here unless we still in double 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. Yeah, so that is also very interesting. How do we know? Well, this is how we gonna know if this is a wave 3. Wave 5 normally as diagonal has to reach, of course, this target. This target, which is 0.618 and 0.786, which is your wave 5 target. If you take the 1 to 1 Fibonacci 0.062, that means wave 5 becomes longer than wave 3. It's a red flag again that massive wave 3 might be unfolding 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5 to reach even much more lower to finish this structure. Yep, so this is regarding Hedera. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye. Before you leave, make sure to join our private Discord community. There you will get daily updates faster than YouTube, plus exclusive bonus trading signals for the gold, silver, Bitcoin, and stocks. You can also request one special technical analysis every day and get access even to our only members video on YouTube and also on Discord, and stay ahead, of course, with economic and political news that actually moves the market. And of course, we do regular Q&A sessions, so you can get your questions answered directly in the Discord. And of course, if you're serious about leveling your trading, the Discord link is below in the description and in the comments. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.